Clearwater, Florida, is known for its stunning coastal scenery, bright sunshine, and lush, beautiful landscapes. As a homeowner in Clearwater, you want to make the most of these natural assets, and one of the best ways to do so is by installing picture windows. Picture windows are large, fixed windows that provide an unobstructed view of the outdoors, allowing natural light to flood your home. These windows are an excellent option for homeowners looking to enhance their home's aesthetics, brighten up indoor spaces, and bring the beauty of Clearwater's natural surroundings inside. In this article, we'll explore how picture windows can enhance natural light and scenic views, offering practical benefits and boosting the overall atmosphere of your home. Maximizing natural light. One of the most significant advantages of picture windows is their ability to let in abundant natural light. Clearwater is known for its sunny weather, and picture windows take full advantage of this by allowing sunlight to pour into your home without obstruction. Unlike traditional windows with divided panes, picture windows have a large, single sheet of glass, which means more light can enter your living space. This added natural light creates a bright and welcoming atmosphere, reducing the need for artificial lighting during the day and lowering your energy bills. Natural light has many benefits beyond simply brightening a room. It can improve your mood, boost your productivity, and promote overall well-being. Picture windows allow you to enjoy these benefits while enhancing the aesthetic appeal of your home. By strategically placing picture windows in living areas, dining rooms, or bedrooms, you can create a warm and inviting environment where the sun's rays shine through all day long. Unobstructed scenic views. Clearwater's natural beauty is one of its biggest selling points, and a picture window allows you to showcase the best of it. Whether you're overlooking the Gulf of Mexico, a peaceful park, or a beautiful garden, picture windows provide uninterrupted views that let you fully appreciate your surroundings. The large, expansive glass of picture windows offers panoramic views that smaller or divided windows simply can't match. By framing the outdoors in such a striking way, picture windows help bring the beauty of nature inside. Imagine waking up in the morning to a clear view of a sparkling bay, or relaxing in your living room with an unobstructed view of lush trees or a pristine golf course. With picture windows, your home's view becomes a part of your daily living experience. Enhancing curb appeal and aesthetic value. Picture windows don't just enhance your home's interior, they also boost its exterior appeal. With their sleek and modern design, picture windows give your home a more open and airy feel, improving curb appeal. The large panes of glass provide a clean, uninterrupted view of the outdoors, which complements any architectural style, whether contemporary, traditional, or coastal. The elegant design of picture windows also adds to the overall value of your home. Buyers appreciate homes with large windows that bring in plenty of natural light and offer beautiful views. Whether you're looking to improve your home's curb appeal for your own enjoyment or are considering selling in the future, picture windows are an investment that adds both visual appeal and monetary value. Improved energy efficiency. While it may seem like a large window might let in unwanted heat or cool air, modern picture windows can actually improve your home's energy efficiency. Many picture windows are designed with double or triple glazing, which adds insulation to the glass. These multi-layered windows help to maintain a stable indoor temperature by preventing heat from escaping during the winter and blocking excessive heat during the summer. Additionally, picture windows are often equipped with low E glass coatings that reflect ultraviolet (UV) rays. These coatings prevent the sun's harmful rays from fading your furniture and flooring while still allowing natural light to pass through. By keeping your home comfortable year-round, picture windows help you save on energy bills and reduce your environmental footprint. Increased privacy with the right placement. While picture windows offer expansive views, they can also enhance your privacy when placed strategically. If you want to enjoy the beauty of your outdoor surroundings without feeling exposed to neighbors or passers-by, picture windows can be installed in higher locations or with the use of privacy glass. For example, placing picture windows in your living room or dining area while keeping your bedroom windows higher up or using frosted glass can provide both the beauty of the outdoors and the privacy you need. This ensures that you can enjoy the natural light and scenic views without compromising your home's privacy. Low maintenance and durability. Another benefit of picture windows is their low maintenance and long-lasting durability. Because they are fixed windows, they don't have moving parts like sliding or casement windows, making them less prone to wear and tear. There are no hinges, sashes, or tracks to maintain, which makes cleaning and upkeep much easier. Modern picture windows are built with sturdy, weather-resistant frames that require little maintenance. Whether you choose vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum frames, these materials are designed to withstand Clearwater's climate, including humidity, rain, and salt air. With regular cleaning, your picture windows will remain in great shape and continue to provide beautiful views for many years. Conclusion: picture windows are an excellent choice for homeowners in Clearwater who want to maximize natural light, showcase their scenic surroundings, and enhance the overall aesthetic and value of their homes. By allowing more sunlight into your home, providing unobstructed views, and offering a modern, sleek design, picture windows create a warm, welcoming atmosphere and help you fully appreciate the beauty of Clearwater's natural landscape. Whether you're looking to brighten up your living space, enjoy expansive views, or improve your home's energy efficiency, picture windows offer the perfect solution. With their numerous benefits, including increased privacy, improved curb appeal, and low maintenance, picture windows are a smart investment for any Clearwater homeowner looking to make the most of their home's potential.